First alert for the HH54.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Pickens County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Bartow County in northwestern Georgia until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Arrowhead, Oregon, 10 miles northwest of Canton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Canton, Cartersville, White, Waleska, Buffington, Lake Arrowhead, San Lacora Valley, Pine Log, Talmadge, and Funkhauser. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 5 p.m. in Atlanta, it was cloudy. 82 degrees.